Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 28th of August 2014 market review. Just want to bring forward to you, this is the Dow Jones. They closed on Tuesday evening on 17,106 points, and on Wednesday evening they were just 15 points higher, closing on a level of 17,122 points. They're very close to the previous highs. Now, if you look at the S&P 500, they are basically at this moment testing this 2000 level a lot, breaking up 1 point, just coming down, breaking up. So there's a bit of concern here. The markets are aware of this high points. A lot of traders are moaning about direction, up or down, for the specific shares, and some shares do move with the market movement, others don't move with the market movement. So there's a bit of a concern in the market currently. Gold is sitting on levels of 1286. Ukraine, Russia, not sorted out. So there's a lot of uncertainty currently in the market, and that's a problem after this beautiful reversal head and shoulder pattern forming it to the new high. The big question now is, we're going to see similar formats like this happening now. And the big question is, can it break it up, go higher? Americans are expecting a 5% growth on the markets from this type from now on to the end of the year. So this could go and continue in a positive pattern. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, it's quite toppish at this moment, yeah. So payroll figures next week, Friday, very important to the market to form from the US markets. So let's see what's going to happen there. Looking at the J200, top 40 index, a bit concerned here at this moment. 1 day up, 1 day down, struggling with direction here. Closed on a level of 46,351 points yesterday, struggling to break. It goes to this 46,400, just goes above it, and then it pulls back. And then it goes to 46,500 and pulls back. And you can see this is the sideways pattern. So the last few days were total directionless, and you're struggling with the US markets futures. They're currently about 7 points down, or 9 points down as we speak. So there's a lot of uncertainty there. Looking at ShopRite, ShopRite did move nicely up as expected, breaking up here. Indicators are also going high. Now they're testing this high points here on previous highs on the indicators. Now the big question is, can it follow and break it, or will it just start moving down again with an uncertain market? So there's a bit of value here still on the RSI. So the MACD will tell you if it breaks up, there's definitely a continuous moving happening here. We got in the speculation here, got a bit of funds there, but today and tomorrow is going to be very crucial for ShopRite to move high or not. Looking at Mr. Price. Now Mr. Price tested this previous highs just above it, now losing momentum again. Woolies brought out good results, growing. Going to pay approximately a dividend of 150, 155, and there's a bit of a sell-off here, so need to see how it's going to open with this dividend of 155 that was paid out. But they're expecting the consumers in South Africa to be a bit tough in the next few months. Looking at Massmart, also brought out results this morning, paying approximately a dividend of 146. They grew in business about 7%, and they're opening new stores, just like ShopRite, opening new stores. They need to do this for the share price to actually bring it higher, get more consumers into the market on their brands. So as you can see here, look at Massmart starting to pick up here, trading close to the level of about 134 in the short term. Next high of expectation to be broken is this 135. If it can break this 135, definitely a new upward movement. MTN. Now MTN lost a lot of opportunity here. The momentum is starting to fade out. Now you can see a little of a sideways pattern happening here at this moment. So the big question is, can you break 247 Rand, or can you break this 244 level and push down in the short term? Indicators are quite high. Vodacom is still struggling here at the 150, losing a lot of momentum to the sideways movement. Let's go and look at some Imperial shares. Picked up as expected, 197, next high 200, not a lot of movement happening here. There's big gaps in the trading of morning and afternoon on the market currently. So be careful, watch this market closely. It's very high at this moment. You need to see if there's going to be a bit of a sell-off, but follow the channel. The channel will tell you the truth. Enjoy your trading.